Hello dear friends, in this short video I will show you how to use the Grammarly AI software for your language correction for your manuscripts, or before you submit your manuscripts or your journals or any publishing organization. You must meet their language criteria, that your language, especially English language, should be up to a certain level of correction. Or now obviously all the people are not native English speakers, so it's very difficult to manage this problem. So but now there are many AI tools that language for language correction, and you can simply use them before submitting your paper. So here I will show you the usage of Grammarly, which is the most commonly used app. Now Grammarly has both paid and free version. There are a lot of features in free, and there are a lot more in the paid version. I will show you here the basic features of the free version. With the free version, you can manage the basic grammar, punctuations, articles usage, and these things. With paid version, there are more options like plagiarism check. There you can paraphrase the whole sentences, and it can expand or shorten the wordy sentences for you. So what we will do, we will simply go to Google, and here we will look for this Grammarly. This Grammarly is a free AI writing assistance. So this is Grammarly. So here is the interface of Grammarly, and I will show you. See, there are three different projects are uploaded here. The previous projects I have worked on, so they are saved here. You can delete them or you can see them. For example, this is one of the uploaded document. I open it. This is how it works. But let me show you a whole different thing from the scratch. Here, this is a new document. You upload your document, whatever it is. Click the upload. See, for example, I am uploading one of my documents. Say, for example, most of the documents I have, they are already corrected for language. But let's see, we are uploading one short document here. So this is uploading. Now see, my document is uploaded. Now see, it is asking you set goals. What are your goals in this language correction? See, for example, what are your audience means where you are submitting. It could be a journal, it could be a supervisor, or anyone who is going to check your manuscript. So it is saying that the audience you are going to send your manuscript, are they general, they know English as much as you, or they are knowledgeable, or they are expert in English. So we say for example, they are expert in English. Say for example, you are submitting to European journal or American journal. So formality, you wish the formatting, this editing of the English language should be informal, neutral, or formal, because we are working with the academic document, so we need a formality. Then domain, see, there are in free version it is only general domain. When you are purchasing the paid version, no problem, it's costly from the website, but there are many web pages, there are many organizations on the Twitter, Facebook, they give you the subscriptions of many AI tools, including Grammarly, for 1 month, for 1 year, and it will cost you a few dollars in US dollar, or a few hundreds to 1,000 or 2,000 in PKR. So it's not a big deal. You can pay for 1 monthly short subscriptions when you are going to submit a document. So in paid it will show you academic, business, email, casual, and creative, anything. Okay, intent, what is your intent? Are you going to inform your documents contain certain information? Are you going to describe their certain concepts? Are you going to convince someone or tell a story? We say okay, we wish is to tell a story, say for example, and here your goals are done. Once your goals are done, see on the left side it is your whole document, it is uploaded here. If you'll go down like this, it will keep going like this, no matter how large a document is. So this is how it is. This is your document, whole new document that you have uploaded. In Grammarly, This is document. Now see, it is showing you 82 suggestions. It is showing you there are 82 suggestions for your documents that you need to correct. Here it is also showing you and see, it is let me show you one thing more. See, it is showing you overall score. Currently the overall score of this manuscript is 51, and there are your goals and the creative AI, all suggestions. And see, on the right hand side, this premium option is showing that there are 57 more suggestions with regard to your English language in this document, but they are premium. Those will be shown in paid version. Mostly they are the wordy sentences that it will help you to suggest you to paraphrase, and it will do it itself. So for example, here we have overall score is 51. Here it is showing you in your document detail that it has 11,000 characters, it has nearly 1600 words, there are 161 sentences, reading time and speaking time. It is showing that word length above average, your word length is 5.2, which is above average, your sentence length is 10, which is also above average. Readability score is just 43. It is showing you vocabulary, your unique words 36%, which is below average, and their rate words are 37, rare words are 37 words, which are below range. So you can download your document report before editing from here. So this is how it is. See, it is how well it is working. It's so fascinating. Now what you will do, it will underline whatever the problems are here. For example, it is underlined this physicians, so it is saying that here you can write the word, correct word is physician. You will just click here physicians, it will be corrected. Here it is saying that it is again showing a red underline, then there's a problem. It is showing in spite of here within, you should add here with comma. It is corrected. How here it is saying end stage, no, it's not a correct to use here. So what should we use? Here it is showing to use the hyphen in between, so it is how corrected. Hemodialysis, it is saying that okay, your hemodialysis should have a okay, this is like that. So in whole of the document you will keep scrolling down and see, previously we have 82 suggestions, now they have been 79 because we have corrected the three things. And like this, there is another mistake of with a semicolon, unnecessary space is there. So here it will show you that there is an unnecessary space, so it will okay, it is removing the space. See, the space is removed, and here it is showing you see, it is suggesting you add a hyphen, you have added. Now we will go below, and even you can just keep on checking from here in this right. See, it is showing a correction of this, and I will suggest you to don't keep on correcting 100% blindly. Just have a look at original document. There are sometimes a little few changes, sometimes we do not accept the changes. So we are accepting okay, just for the hyphen. Another, here is again a spacing mistake. So these are the common mistakes that happen. Let's see, sometimes it give you multiple options that here you wish to see an increasing to add this, and increasing or only increasing. We'll say okay. So here it seems to the end increasing seems good with the sentence, so we will accept this one, this option, and we will accept. See, it has corrected. So just like this you will keep on correcting the things, and your scores will be, see, initially score was 51, now score has risen to 53. So once you are going to keep on changing these things, it will keep on making the things good for you. And your free version does a quite good job. With a paid version you are going to make the things really well, but even if you can't afford this, free version also does really well. And I have done a lot of documents through this free version, and most of them are published. So this is the simple way. See, now from 82 we have 73 suggestions. It will take you 20 minutes, half an hour, depending on what is the length of your document. CA score is increasing. So this is how you can use the Grammarly. Once your document is done, come here on the left top bar menu, and once your document is whole edited for language, you can download that corrected document from here. Download. See, I'm clicking. Say for example, a new whole document will be downloaded here in front of you, and you can just download it from here and use for you. I hope you enjoyed this video, and this will make the things easier for you. Thank you very much.